Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to use Krisp AI for free in 2026. If you want to reduce background noise, improve call quality, and explore Krisp AI without paying for a subscription, this guide will walk you through the basics step by step. First, open your web browser and visit the Krisp AI website. Create a free account or sign in if you already have one. Krisp offers a free option that lets you try its core features, although some usage limits and premium features may apply. Next, download and install the Krisp AI desktop application for your computer. Once the installation is complete, sign in using your account credentials. Now open the Krisp AI app and select your microphone and speaker. Enable noise cancellation so Krisp can remove unwanted background sounds during your calls and meetings. Next, open your favorite meeting app, such as Zoom, Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, or Discord. In the audio settings, choose Krisp microphone and Krisp speaker as your input and output devices. Start a test call and speak normally. You should notice that background noises like keyboard clicks, fans, or traffic are reduced, giving you clearer audio. Finally, keep an eye on your free plan usage and explore additional features available in your account. If the free plan meets your needs, you can continue using it or upgrade later if you need more advanced capabilities. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use Krisp AI for free step by step. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this.